Primary functions for our workshop right now was to implement the final assembly of capital equipment, and then to also do the final onboard piping and wiring, as well as any factory acceptance testing that's necessary to fulfill the contract with the customer.
It becomes easier to collaborate with our customers. I mean, we have a local assembly, local quality control, and now towards the engineer side, we get to participate in the same way.
So we currently have a great team backed by people with decades of experience. These guys are very versatile on a day-to-day basis of what they're coming in to do, and it really is just dictated by the project on hand.
The feedback we get from the assembly shop is extremely valuable. We trust our team at the shop to be the experts with assembly, with the hands-on work. They trust us to be able to take care of the CAD work and to be able to express it on the computers. They spent a few weeks on site at the shop troubleshooting assembly issues, making as-built drawings earlier than we've ever been able to make them before, and really improving our knowledge basis for the next design.
We are closer to the process at hand, which means that we can change the process to improve it however they need it. I am happy to invite any customer to come and see what we have going on here, and I think that every person and customer I've brought through feels the excitement when they leave about the relationship that we're building with them